Hello again, everyone. Thanks for coming back and watching the rest of this video series, I guess I should say. This video series. So today we're gonna be bottling the blueberry mint. I am gonna use some of this. I did not check to see how much to use necessarily. I think other channels like Man-Made Mead and Doing the Most will use like 2 tablespoons maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna rack this and then I'm just gonna kind of start adding some, see how it tastes, see how I feel about it. Then I'm gonna be using these carbonation drops and beer bottles or cider bottles or whatever. I also need a glass. I totally forgot to grab a glass. Don't know how good this is gonna be right off the bat. It's a very pretty red purpley color. So I think I'm just gonna see how it is now, and then I'm going to probably add like 2 tablespoons. Wow, I think it's gonna be pretty good. I really like the mint. The mint is like very pleasant. I want a little bit more than that. Much nicer. Smoothed it out a lot. All right, I like that. I think that's good. Nice. I think I'm most confident about this mead in particular. I think part of that is because blueberry ferments so well. Like most, you know, if you make a blueberry mead, typically you ferment a bunch of blueberries. I mean, that's what it is. So I have a lot more confidence in this one. I would love to try this again, but partially with blueberry juice and partially with like probably more blueberries than what I'd used. So I'm just gonna make a note. I used 3 tablespoons of erythritol, and that doesn't make it taste like sweet. It just kind of added a nice sort of sweet roundness to it to kind of smooth things over a little. All right, I'm gonna get my bottling wand. So I have 10 bottles here. My strawberry gave me almost a full 10, so I think this will be like just right, just the right amount. And all this has been sanitized, of course. Okie dokie. Ah, my drops. Gosh. I feel like I'm always fumbling in my videos, man. I always forget something. Like, why can't I just do everything right? What? I swear I plan. I mean, clearly it's sitting right here. I'm just a little bit of a noodle. That's all. And again, I need to get my labels off. It's a good way to confuse people when you're giving them a homemade beer or mead, is to give them one where you still have like an old label on it. Well, that didn't quite fill a beer. It's like down to here. So that one might turn into a mess. Whoops. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and almost another full bottle. So almost 11 bottles is what I got out of that. So from here, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my caps. I got this little thing, I got caps, and then we're gonna wait probably about a month before we try it. Carbonation takes like a couple of weeks to really get going, so I figure I'll let it sit and hang out for about a month and then try it out. And I'm gonna try out all 3, I think, in one video, because why not? It'll just be like the Hydromel series tasting, something like that. Thank you so much for watching, I appreciate you, and I'll see you again later. Mwah. Bye.